Welcome to this brief tutorial of the pivXmas indicator for TradingView. If you don't know the TradingView platform, just check it out at TradingView.com. A TradingView account is completely free, and that is sufficient to use this free indicator. pivXmas is a very useful, relatively simple and user-friendly combined moving average based indicator. An indicator like this can be added to any chart at any time frame on TradingView. Just open a chart and click Indicators at the top. Subsequently type the indicator's name in the search input and it should appear. Clicking a little left of the indicator will add it to your favorites. Clicking the indicator's name itself will add it to your chart. pivXmas provides 4 simple moving averages and/or 4 exponential moving averages or an 8-segment moving average ribbon. Furthermore, pivXmas provides adjustable pivot bands. The brightness of all moving averages can be adjusted with one single control. The length for each moving average, 4 SMAs and 4 EMAs, can be modified individually. Colors, thickness and show height can be altered for each simple and exponential moving average in the Style tab. The MA ribbon can be set to use simple or exponential moving averages. The MA ribbon uses the SMA or EMA4 length as the maximum length and divides this by 8 for the minimum length. The MA ribbon consists of 8 subsequent moving averages. Color filling can be switched on and off, and the fill color can be modified in the Style tab. And then we're getting to kind of a bonus function within this indicator. The pivot bands are calculated by using time-spreaded averaged lows and highs. The length of the basic number of periods to be used is adjustable. The brightness of all pivot bands elements can be adjusted with one single control. And a choice between different color schemes is provided for your convenience. Both the upper and lower band, as well as the middle line, can be switched on and off separately. The pivot band's exponentiality can be set from 0, a simple moving average, to 100, which is an exponential moving average, and anything in between. Furthermore, the pivot band's distance, the space between the upper and lower band, can be adjusted. Part of a typical trading strategy could consist of a long buy when the price crosses the lower band from below back into the band's range, and a short sell when the price crosses the upper band from above back into the band's range, or just roughly following the midline color indication. Books have been written and many articles and videos have been made about the meaning and possible applications of functions like these used in charting. While one never can stop learning, trading is combining the right ingredients, having them baked in a timely manner and eating it while it's still hot. If you don't know the TradingView platform, just check it out at TradingView.com. An endless amount of chart data is available over there, like stocks from Apple to Zalando, futures, currencies and also many cryptos. But TradingView also is a platform for lots of trading ideas, analysis, information, indicators, scripting and more. A TradingView account is completely free, and that is sufficient to use this indicator. However, if you don't like the ads or want to increase TradingView's possibilities, there are several options to enhance the trading experience with a paid subscription. So, it's all free. And if you ever choose to upgrade, you'll get a decent discount when the link in the description below has been used to create a TradingView account. Take your chance. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching.